Pynkupbor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Gsta Solutions Training Academy hakar potrik leber arajar pausan klaraki ke jingne kemen kewajibin long sisen chisnem ban Pynkupbor yaki hagajin Pynroi kisap ki Phong bakidon hagani gesgi asa kilang daga Deputy Commissioner Jong East Khasi Hills District ka kong RM Kurba kabla long kum kongsan haringkat ke Skills Development Officer Jong East Khasi Hills District ka kong Audrey Khonglam ka Program Manager Jong Migilai State Skills Development Society ka kong Alvida Kharbudan bat kiwe Hapok ke jengkedaulanti Jong Migilai State Skills Development Society ka Gsta Solutions Training Academy kala aji kai klemjing siu shiki Samla haki buit trekam bapher kumshibinta kani ke jeng rakhe ka Gsta kala samru ikisirnon baki startup tools shiki nong shahi kai
Dia kam berbot kam itu kan management siapa yang sedang MSSCS ajar kat way Nio i ke jing hilang ke pertai Nio i ke jing kodok kam Nio i ke kena jeng gila nang star gila nang giu and kim dan hadiah jono all of you are very smart you're very intelligent and also like you're capable pila din Hindi ko pila. Pidon kata hapo jong pila. And if like today we have two trades as we say in skills. The way that they craft bakery and the other is assistant electrician, right? So kini after ki come ki very important, very crucial. And masuk pengadai batang ba. Kanu ka kam ka bakery. Ide beneran kejigit dia rekam. Nama ada pemgit dia rekam macam people betray. Kena manra kata jing snow belonging dan jing snow kitkia dan ke pesi tau nama ba bonsen dan ni kena rekam ke ba nyim banse tapi ni hadro jumi deh dia pilih jet dia kena lain nama ba just kena. I believe kena passion jong bania big. Ni no ne dan no positif ni. Anyone forced you to join these trades? No. So it has to come from you. So the first step is from yourself that you should want to do this thing. And then once you are there, you've done this, you've certified, that you have completed the course. I would also add on to this, I was talking to Audrey, that there's another step that you should complete, before you open up a store or, a baking section in your own home, because nowadays we are also encouraging people to work from home. So one step that you have to do is you please get yourself certified by FSI, okay? Food safety. So please do that. The Office of Food Safety is here in Muda. You get yourself certified. You can do that online too. It's very, very important. Why do we insist on having yourself certified? Is that you build trust. Okay? You build trust. Because unless people trust you, then you cannot carry forward your business, right? You have to earn a name for yourself. Now that you have the weapon, you have to ensure that you are also accepted by the community. Okay? Then you have to maintain the quality. Okay? There should not be any compromise. So these are the kind of things that if you are certified, you have to renew every year. The system does not renew if you do not perform well. So then it keeps a tab on you and it helps. Okay, rather than I'm one year in day nilai kat perumahan. Dia ni perfect hybrid lakukan dari isu I'm one nilai kat perumahan. Dari mana kopek ini ni kam function well. Ni dan kam ki supervisor, ni dan kam ki bahaya ni di benpek. Ni progressing in progress. I would like you to visit DCIC. Okay, in the next 2-3 months once you settle, you visit DCIC. Over there what we do is we give for startup, we kind of encourage you to take this PMEGP loan, PMEGP scheme. Okay, and my dear children, I would like to tell you, do not be afraid of loan. Okay, if you study about the program, a lot of people, especially European have loan. Okay, what you because what you can do in the day. Sometimes without loan, you have to wait for years. So it's very important that we should go and take financial help, and also like get yourself financial literacy done, so that you know how to do saving, you know how to do things like that. Okay, we have been often taught that if you earn 100 rupees, 40 rupees should be saved for rainy days. So remember that in the future, whenever you earn 100 rupees, 40 rupees should always be your saving. You should not spend more than 60 rupees. It's wrong. Okay, I just want to teach you that because you're all okay that you're my own children. Then in the future, if ever in the future you have a chance to go for further training, please do. Because the market demands you to be at par with the new generation. There'll be some other new group that will come after you after 10 years. Maybe your skills needs to be upgraded. Okay, there are new things to learn. There's always new things to learn. So please be open-minded. Do not think that I've done this and I know everything. No, we don't know everything. I've worked for 31 years and I know I need to be trained very often. I need to upgrade my skills. So therefore, all of you have to get yourself upgraded from time to time. Okay?
It takes two floors to make a story. It takes a neck to make a head. It takes a hand to make a neck. There is no end to what I'm saying. It takes a thought to make a word, and it takes some words to make an action. It takes some words to make it hurt. It takes some good to make it hurt. It takes some bad for satisfaction. La 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 la, life is wonderful. La 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 la, life goes full circle. La la la, life is wonderful. La 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 la.
Give a round of applause.
Kakating jonga kadi enjina shooting ngalak don aku saus nem Jakarta. Ngasong ngasa apo sinong nong seder is Khasi Hill District. Ngajonya kani ka training kadi jong ka craft baker. Ngalak yo sibun kijing mentoy. Hak banget jonya kani ka training. Sibuk menta bajenjar ban yo kam, jenjar ban wat kam, ban ya ka bang susong hayeng. Ngal perkat ala deba dah ka bangajon nya kene ka training ngan kumno ban sit jingbam ban sedang kam la jong ban yeng halak jong ke kejat kani ka kereta solution training academy ka ajing rap shibun ka ngalayo jing ka shibun pakumno ngan ban sit ki cookies ki bread ki cake bat kumta terter menta ka singiru ngilayo ya kani ka certificate ki start of tools kala ajing rap shibun yangi ha apa ya bat kani ka training ngim dan kam CUEA nika hikai free ka ngiyo jing hikai free bet kumbalai benai ni sau benai ni training hang ni academy kan
Kakateng juga kalau ngcil bang Kimarwen ngasong masa anu Port River District ningkong wan position assessor bang ngan wan pulih pendep ya ke degree antang ladep degree kat bang nang wat kam aku bang lej haki basic training jong kono kat bang ayo antang ngalap bai isen inong hikai jongi ya kan training lang bai social media long ngalap social media dan nata ngalek klik kata ke link ngal yo ban register ke keteng ngai iba kadon ke basic electrician tu bang ayo training kata ngalap pendep ya kata ke basic electrician ke penlong ha sing ke Dev College jong kan lembaga ni ke skim jongi MSSDS kata bapnya Gsta Solution Training Academy te ka lembaga ni training layo jeng arab shibun nomor ba menha hakini sini matafi iba ki jinjar ki banyo kam te lembaga ni training as basic electrician yo ban tradition style ban but ki we ombangan yo ban bat ki bahek kampat long rengi but mataki ngi yat lembaga supervisor ki alam supervisor ngi yo ban trade tang ni kita ngi yo ban earn
Akerteng jonga gade iba pensuk mukim ngasong asa hapo malki krishnong Shillong East Khasi Hills District. Shwabangan wan ye kene training ngala jutrai shini shatai. Shwabangan wan ngala trai shini shatai ki kam ki berit berya. But hakapor long hakatu kapor ngadon ke jing terang mo bangan shed kini ki jing bam di shama ki kum ki cakes ki biscuit te hakatu kapor ru ngala wat hi ki lat ki lenti kum no bangan yo ki trainings namar ki bun ki trainings ki bab hablet chabar bar ke jing siu ko long ka bahe te nakata ka daw long ngila wat ngia le ban wat te idon iwi parlok jonga i don hakanika MSSDS mo te I send ke nyanga ka link I pa yang ata kaling ong khilet ya kanika training teling ba jong kata ngayo kan banlet ha kanika Gsta Solution Training Academy but ka deru ka training institute ka ba I free te ka yarap shibun ke khna samlama marba mengi wan na kay long yeng ngi wan na ka kamde ka long yeng ka babet babiang banyalit training shabar te ngi banyo li ka ba free training te ka long ka ek ka ba sngot tanat bha te ngi por bangalit training ru ki ai ki jing ki training ki ba long bangim pat tip long ngim ngi kwa ban tip bat ngim long ngi las dang ban tip but hapo ka training ru ngila yo ban yo ai jing hikai shibun ma but lingba ka ni ka training institute lingba ka MSSDS ki ai ya ka startup tools ki ai certificate ka long ka ba mentor yang mo namar tang ka training sudaru kumnong ins dang ya ka kam lada don ki startup tools te ka MSSDS mo ka ai kala ai bah mo yang ba ai kini ki startup tools but ka Gsta Solution ru ka long ka penkentiu ka nyangi khna samla ki bam don kam don jam komentali ka hiran bha ka perthai ka kam ka jam ru ngim yo ngina wat kam sarkar lanu ngin yo tang ka interview ru nginam la hiban crack namar ba kila bun palat ki khna samla ki ba apply ka kam te lingba ka ni ka training ngi yo shibun bha ki jingmen toy banle self employment te hapo ka ni ka training ki aj hikai ru ngi ba kumno bangin ngine die ki jingbam ki jongi shi ki dukan kumno bangin earn ma te wat ibarat ru idi kam la jong long kadai ka jing sngot tanat jongi ru bat ngila yo jing mentoi shibun bha bat lingba ka ni ka training jonga ngakwa ru bangan long ban specialize shu lada ki don shu ki ki lat kumno bangan yo specialize bah ki ni ki jingba mo ko bangan chat ngakwa ken bangan ngan yo wat lat shu bangan yo kum kini ki lat ki lenti dala deb ye kini ke training te ngakwa ban seng ka kam la jong mo mentaru ngalas dang hi melumala but ngas dang na yeng mo minchips nam ha ka por Christmas nga shed be ki cakes ye ki plain cakes ye ki chocolate cakes ye ki cream cakes ro nga shit le tam mainly mentang adang focus be ye ki cakes te but ngakwa ru ban extend shu ye kini ka skills jong amo bangan company he shu ka jingyo mentoi te ka bun bhana mar bang yo ye ki tiaru te namar kiwi ki training za ding le ni shu pet ni shu practice tang hang tu henrei men tapat ngi yo ba ki tiar bangin chat hayeng en le hayeng long ka ai jing men toy bha ke ngi yo jing men toy bha ke bangi ki ai ba ki startup tools dot kam shu bangin long ba investment ru kala kham duna ken mo men tang yo ki startup tools te ka investment bangin invest jaka bangin invest ha ki tiar long ila yo ban invest ha ki wei pat ki jing bang ki ba don kam hang tu ken
Ka kerteng jong ka training institution jongi kedai Gsta Solutions Training Academy. Te menta kesngi ni felicitate but ni distribute ke certificate. Rengkat but celebrate ya ka annual Gsta Gsta Solutions Training Academy Day. Te hangne ni Pynkupbor ki kena rengkat but ki faculty ki trainers, ki admin barok jong kanik institution. Ki pun ki trainings ki bangi ai, ki don ki ba focus ki kentai but ki shinrang ro kumjo. Te ngi don kum ki fast food, nang ta ngi don ki electrician, nang ta construction line ngi don ki plumber, ngi don mason, nang ta ngi don ki bakery, nang ta ngi don ki Panchakarma Ayurveda treatment ki bansawan ter ki bon ki trainings ngi don ru kini ki bangi hikai ki handicraft ki bamboo handicrafts menta kesni ki bangi felicitate ki long shispa laipo san te ki badon pada hak institution jongi at this moment ki don more than 700 tangba ki dei ki short term programs te man la kapor ki ju change kini ki numbers ken man la ka lai banai man la ka 100 banai ba mentang i don 790 ki ka shong ha ka training ka ba ki khna ki kwa ban let ki don ki training ki ba lai banai ki don ki training ki ba sau banai te kuntai ni ai ki tiar ki startup tools khnang ba ki la ban yang hala ki jong ki jat ba ki la ban sedang ka kam ka ba ki la le training marsen dep ya ka training mar bonsen kin la yo kin la dap ye training kim yo pada kilat kilenti banyo ekam tingi ai no ekidi kini ki startup tools kenang kin la ban sedang neki yeng le jong work from home small business ngakentu ye ki kena ki bamdon kam bamdon jam ki members jong society jongi ban one join kini ki free training jongi namar ba ki play lat prelenti ni training berit in sa play lat prelenti ki babon ye phi mentang ila don ba ka sarkar kla ai lat ru ban place ki sha abroad te kajing sir ka bahe te sobha banya join kini ki training bat ni Gsta Solutions Training Academy ki dongkam bande khat prasnam karta number 1 te ki dongkam ru bakinde ki don epic ne ka residential certificate na po Meghalaya ya ka bamenta ka shong ha ka jing ai jong ka sarkar ni kini ki targets ya ka bamenta ni penya laipu santali ki center ha ki hinrutili ki district niate tie up bat ka sarkar bat kini ki certificate su ki de ki bala tiplem bat ka sarkar